Hey there, Casey at TaxSaleAcademy.com, answering your tax sale questions. Today's question comes from Ahmed. It says, is it safe to say that all OTC properties are junk? Hey Ahmed, first off, thank you for your question, but the answer here is no, absolutely not. There are plenty of OTC properties that hold value and can be extremely profitable when approached correctly. But you have to understand the process here. When we take a sampling of general real estate in one county and we compare that sampling to, say, a tax sale list, that tax sale list is going to have a significantly higher concentration of properties that have issues or are low in value. And then to hit the OTC list, that means the property has gone through a tax sale auction and nobody placed a bid at that auction. It could be for a very good reason, or they might have just overlooked it. So when you compare that OTC list, the OTC list does have a higher concentration of properties with issues compared to even a standard tax sale list, and certainly compared to a general sampling of real estate in that area. So yes, there are junk properties on an OTC list. 100% that's correct. There's ditches, there's worthless strips of land, there's swamp, there's landlocked properties, there's properties with environmental issues, properties with massive liens, all sorts of other fun stuff. However, just because it contains those things does not mean that there are no profitable properties on it. There are thousands of profitable properties on OTC list right now that I guarantee you can make money from. You grab the best properties the moment that they hit those lists. You research the properties that nobody seems to be buying for whatever reason to see if there's some sort of strategy, some sort of angle you can take, and you think outside of the box, and you can find very, very profitable properties on OTC lists. It just takes the right approach. I have people inside the Tax Sale Academy right now that are buying vacant lots for $200, $300, and they will turn around and sell those same lots a few days later, maybe a couple of weeks, depending on how big their buyer's list is, for $1,800 to $2,000. Some are even doing 4 or 5 every single week. That's a few $100,000 a year based off fairly minimal work once you know what you're doing. Now, I've got other folks inside the Tax Sale Academy that are doing 1 to 2 of these same type deals a month with just a couple of hours worth of work. And that covers their entire monthly expenses to the point where their everyday job goes into savings, retirement accounts, or funds their splurges like boats or vacations. There's lots of people that are profiting from OTC investing. The point is, with the right strategy, you can create a near on-demand income source through OTC investing. The difficult thing, however, is that you must know what you are doing. You must know how to research in depth. The most common path to failure that I see new investors take is that they do not take the time to learn what they're doing, and then they start investing in OTC properties. They buy those junk properties that are there for a reason that they should not have purchased. But with a little bit of education, with a little bit of strategizing, you can turn those OTC properties into cash very quickly. So, Ahmed, hopefully this helps you out. For more information on OTC investing, make sure you check out the Tax Sale Academy. We actually have an entire class based around profiting from OTC tax sales. If you want to learn more, check out TaxSaleAcademy.com. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.